Guys, welcome back. This is the Forex crypto app, yet with another video, and in this video we are going to talk about advantages of trading Forex, disadvantages of trading Forex, what you'll need for you to become a Forex trader. Yeah, welcome, and I hope you are going to learn a few things from this and also enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also comment on our videos. Alright, so guys, let's get started. Number one, it's about now we say that it requires minimum investment. That is the first point. So trading Forex, you can start with a very little amount. It depends with the broker you are going to use. What is their minimum deposit? Some brokers have minimum deposits of $5, others $10. You can start with the $10 when your skill is well, you are psychologically well, you are someone with patience, someone who is disciplined. You can grow even $10 to millions of dollars. It depends with your skill. Compared to if you want to open maybe a supermarket, you need at least, let's say at least $50,000. Right now, tell me, you have just come out, maybe you have graduated. Where will you get $50,000 from? But you can get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, or even $100. You can get that, and with that amount, you can turn it to whichever amount you wanted through forex trading. It only needs patience and discipline and a good understanding of the market. I'm saying this because I'm a living example. I've been trading for 3 years, yeah, and during that time I could see myself even trade 0.4 dollar account to 100 $200. Some times I can trade $1 or $2 to thousands of dollars. Yeah, it's very much possible. You need to believe in your skill, believe in yourself. Yeah. Number two, you can do it anywhere. If you are a student while you are in, let's say you are in campus, while you are in class, maybe during your free time or like that, you can do it there. You can do it anywhere. Maybe you are in your home area, in the rural area, you are there. You can trade. If you are in the forest grazing or in the garden farming, you can just place your trades, or you can check how the markets are doing, or you are running trades, maybe how they are doing. You can do it anywhere. That is the point, right? When if you are in the road walking, you can just have your phone and check. So basically here you will need a phone. If maybe you are seated in your house, you will need maybe a phone and a laptop, which is not a must. You just need one device, and in most cases it's a phone, right? You don't need an office for you to become a forex trader. No, you can do it anywhere, even if it's in your bed. You're just there on your bed, check on the markets, execute your trades. Yeah, that's fine. Number three is that always open. The market is always open for 24 hours. How is this an advantage? If you are employed, you go to job from 8 to 5 p.m. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So once you are from job, you can now engage the forex market and make something from it. So in this case, you can have forex as your what? As your side hustle. Once you are done with your main job, now where you are employed, you can come to the forex market and decide, let me get some dollars, right? And let me give you an advice. As you are beginning this journey, or maybe you have been in it, don't quit your job because you have begun trading forex. Don't do that. The best time for you to quit that job will be when you have made a significant amount from the forex market. At least when you have made $30,000. $30,000 in our country is going to be over 3.4 million. With that amount, you will be good to go. You just get that amount, maybe you have some investment in case things go south. Sometimes the market can do things. So Think about it. Don't quit your job because maybe you have started trading. No, 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 no. Because as you will be trading, you will need capital. You will need to fund your account, and you don't. It's not that you are going to fund your account once. No, you will fund that account, blow, fund again, blow, fund, blow until you make it. Never give up. Never give up. Nobody will just come to Forex and they make it with a day or two or three or a week. No, it's a journey. It's a journey, and it takes time. The next point is that no crisis. Seeing that there is no crisis in the forex market, what we normally do, we as traders, when there is crisis outside there, we take an advantage of that. Like the other day when the US and China, we are in that economic war, we as traders took an advantage of that, and that's what pushed gold prices higher and higher each and every day. Because now when the US imposes tariffs on China and China imposes on the US, uh, on the US is bad news for the dollar. So if the dollar is going to sell, gold will be going up. Gold is going to be going up, right? Yeah, that's why you can see gold has been very bullish for this month. Let me just use a different one and show you on the monthly how strong has gold been. You can see this is the candlestick for this month. This one, all the way from here, is the entire month. You can see how gold has been going up, and it's one because of the tariffs. So when there is crisis, you just need to understand the assignment. Understand the assignment. Let me give you another example of back in 2020 when we have the COVID-19, and US used the US as an example. When US first reported the first case of the COVID-19, that was a negative news to the country. Everyone was intense, that is the entire world. So if this thing is now reported in your country, you have to fear. After a while, we had lockdown in the same country. So if we are having lockdown, businesses are not going to run as usual or as normal. So what will be happening now? The economy is going to become slow, and if the economy is slow, what is going to happen to that currency of that country? It's now going to lose what? It's going to lose value. And remember, in trading, we deal with economies, right? That's why you see that us dealing with now the national currencies is now about the economy. Check again when we had the fight between the Russia and Ukraine. Checking on Russia is the largest producer of petroleum, fertilizer. On the other hand, Ukraine is one of the largest producers of corn or maize. So if these two countries are fighting, that means there is no production, or whatever they produce is not going to the outside market. Because during this time, the Red Sea where these things are transported through was closed, right? So if it's closed, that means the outside world is not going to receive these products. So what will happen? Uh, the prices are now going to increase for the little which was already transported out, since demand is high and supply is low. That's why you saw during, if you can go and check, from the time that fight began, the oil prices went high, things related to wheat went high, maize went high. Just go and check. That's why after some months, you saw now the whole world was feeling the heat of this war. And for traders, it was an advantage. Like if they know a lot of a lot of a lot of oil is coming from Russia, and now they are fighting, so no more which is going to come out. Yeah. The other one is that no restrictions on the amount one can earn in a day. Like if you are employed, you are subject to something like $5 as your wages, or your salary of something like $100 in a month. But in forex market, you can make any amount, whether millions or billions, provided you have the right skill and you have good capital. Forex market is transparent, and yeah. All right, so I think that we okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay, sawa sawa, nikifika hapo nitakwambia. Haya, haya. Alright, sorry about that. Let's continue. I was talking about transparency in the forex market. So let me put it this way about the prices. Like right now, the price I have for gold is the same price someone in the UK, someone in the US, someone in Nigeria, someone in Japan, Pakistan, India. They are having the same price, the same price I'm having right now while I'm in Kenya. That is how I can put the point. I hope you will understand it. Number 7 is that we have variety of trading options. Variety of trading options. That means there are very many things you can trade in this forex market. It's upon you now, once you learn and know these things, to decide I'm going to focus on this. Like you can trade currencies, you can trade metals, um, you can trade cryptocurrencies. You know, it's upon you to decide what am I going to trade. There are very many things you can trade there. Hmm. The last one is that we have low transaction cost. Low transaction cost. It will depend with the broker you are using, because in some brokers, deposits are free. Others will charge you something like 0.2 for you to make a deposit, and when you are doing a withdrawal, it's going to be totally free. Again, whatever amount you have requested for from the broker, that is now the withdrawal amount you have requested, is the exact amount that is going to come in your bank account, your cryptocurrency account, or your M-Pesa, your Airtel money, your PayPal, whichever method you use. That is the exact amount that is going to reflect in that account,